You're clean!
Hey, thanks for checking out the videos. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. So here we go, first race of 2023. I'm on a brand new downhill bike, the Commensal V4. I've been working out, I've been training, I've been trying to get ready, and we're here. The course had been dry for the last few days, but on race day, it just poured. So as I came around this corner here, it became clear really quickly that the course was going to be tough.
Holy cow, it's just blown out. This is so cool.
I was a little bit down when the race started because there were still two features that I'd not been able to conquer, and I kind of calculated that if I couldn't hit those two features, I probably wouldn't do great, just based on loss of time. There were some things though that were working to my favor. I had actually destroyed my rear wheel and popped my tire on the first lap of the first day on Thursday when we got to the course, and I had brought the spare wheel set, which actually paid pretty significant dividends. Man, this is a sketchy corner right here. There's actually a guy who had slidden off right there, and that definitely made me pause a little bit to see someone there down below the tape that any one of these little sections, I didn't want to go tumbling down the mountain. But anyways, I had put the spare or the mud wheel on the rear, which had a shorty, and I'd been running the shorty, and I have the Saint brakes with, this is a really slippery section here. I have Saint brakes, and I was running some nice little drop here with organic pads, and it gave me great grip. So even though it was pretty slippery, obviously, as you can tell, I actually had pretty good traction in the rear. I ended up keeping my Assegai on. So this is one of the features that I just couldn't get over my head. I think it has to do with my crash at Windrock a year ago, where you couldn't see the landing. It wasn't that big of a drop, but you can see I paused there for a second, wasn't going to hit it. cost me big time-wise. But anyways, even though the course was incredibly slick, I felt like I had good traction, and I felt like that played an advantage for me. I never slid out on the track. I never felt like I was going to lose it. So here in the S turns, this was another section that cost me some time. So one of my fellow riders was, I think he had gone down in the S turns, so they were screaming "Rider, rider" as I came in, so I had to put a foot down, lost some momentum there, but just glad that that he was okay and kept going. And this is, I don't think the GoPro does justice just how difficult this section was. But as you come around here, you line up for this road gap. No friggin' way I'm doing that. It looks like a big mud pit that you land into, so I had to plow through the road here and just kind of getting through the rest of the course in survival mode, but enjoyed it. So much fun. I'm actually learning to embrace the mud. I don't necessarily get to ride in the mud a lot, but I think it's pretty fun. So hope you enjoyed the video. You know, it helps me. It's kind of like game footage. Try to get better, try to learn where I made my mistakes. I see a number of places where I could have gone faster, and I look forward to the next race. And we'll see you at the next one.
Did you even ride? Yeah! Huck it! You're clean!
That's Sean Herman doing it for Epic Bikes. Sean takes over the hot seat for the men's 50 plus with a time of 4 minutes 26.4.
First ride.